Hello, and welcome to this mini lecture on single-use plastics and possible alternatives. As you may be aware, plastic pollution has become a serious environmental issue. As we are just discovering, single-use plastics derived from fossil fuel-based chemicals and most commonly used for packaging, bottles, wrappers, straws, and bags are breaking up into microplastics in the environment. These are spreading throughout the Earth and have been found in every corner of the globe, from Mount Everest to Antarctica. Microplastics are also breaking down further into smaller pieces known as plastic microfibers, which are now being found in municipal drinking water systems and drifting through the air. There are now bioplastic alternatives on the market to replace single-use plastics. Bioplastics are plant-based, and it is claimed that they are biodegradable and break down naturally in nature. One of the biggest companies is called Vegware, which manufactures 100% plant-based compostable bioplastic. They provide a variety of plant-based materials like cutlery, straws, and food and drinks containers. Vegware claims that their commitment to waste management and recycling infrastructures is to drive the change and create a sustainable packaging future. Presently, the company provides plant-based materials across the world to over 70 different countries. Vegware uses polylactic acid, or PLA, to create their compostable bioplastic. PLA is derived from plant sugars such as cornstarch, cassava, and sugarcane. However, industrial corn is the primary source crop at the moment. Corn plants are milled to extract the starch in the form of glucose. The glucose is then fermented to produce lactic acid. A chemical process transforms the lactic acid into a polymer, which can be made into pellets, known in the industry as resin, and just like a conventional plastic resin, the PLA pellets can be used in a variety of ways to create sheet or film, fibers, and molded bioplastic. So, are bioplastics the answer to our plastic pollution problem? Unfortunately, no. The bioplastics movement is not as green as it seems and should be approached with caution. Vegware claims its products are biodegradable and break down in 3 months. But what they fail to say clearly is it requires industrial composting processes, not home-based composting. In fact, in the natural environment, Vegware products can take the same time as petrochemical plastic to decompose. In addition, Vegware can also contaminate plastic recycling and should not be placed in recycling bins, as they are foodstuff. Presently, the majority of Vegware products are going to landfill or incineration. A final controversial point is that the corn used to create PLA are from GMO sources, where little is still known about the long-term effects of GMO on cropland, the ecosystem, and human health. So, what's the way forward? It cannot be denied that plant-based plastics are better for the environment, but it's a false illusion because it doesn't solve the litter or throwaway culture problem. According to Greenpeace 2020, the answer lies in 3 processes. Firstly, accountability through making producers and companies responsible for the damage their plastic products cause to our environment and make them accountable for the entire life cycle and true costs of their products. Number 2 is corporate phase-out of production and use of single-use plastic products and throwaway product models. And number 3 is a shift in dominant public mindsets away from our throwaway culture focused on convenience toward a vision of healthy, sustainable, and more connected circular economy communities. Thank you.